Okay, I forgot to go over two sections really quickly. So I want to go over the last two slides. Cell membrane, this controls what goes in and out of the cell. We learned a little bit about that last unit. And it maintains a level of homeostasis. Homeostasis means balance, and that's what this entire unit is about, how we bring balance to the cells and how cells maintain balance. Cell membrane is made up of lipids, carbohydrates, and proteins. That's 3 of the 4 biomolecules. And as in all cells, prokaryotes and eukaryotes, every single cell has a cell membrane. The cell would not live if it did not have a cell membrane. It's selectively permeable. We call it the phospholipid bilayer, and you'll see what that means. It's a bouncer of a cell because it regulates what goes in and out. It controls who can come and who can go. Cell membrane parts, channel proteins, what I was talking about earlier. This section right here, that's a channel protein, the little blue guy. So some things can move in between these red or these yellow spheres. Things that are too large to move between those move through these channels to get in and out of the cell. Carbs are these pink little numbers that, sorry, no, not there, not there. Yeah, the pink little guys that branch off of the edges of the cell membrane, and they communicate with other cells. They bump into other cells and they say, oh, hey, you're a cell, what's up? And they move on. Cholesterol helps in giving healthy spacing between the phospholipids. So cholesterol are these little green chains here. That again, fatty, it's a lipid. It helps you add to the flexibility of that cell membrane. And phospholipids make up the cell membrane. Each phospholipid consists of a phosphate head, that's this teal section, and 2 fatty acid chains, that's the orange. The head is hydrophilic and interacts with water. The teal part likes water. Philic means to love or to like. So that part, the phosphate head, likes water. And the tails are hydrophobic. They hate water. So the tails will turn away from water. And what do you know about humans? Well, we're like 70% water, 80% water. It's like a really big number, right? Why would we have cells that are made up of something that is partially hydrophobic? Well, that is actually how your cells manage not to get dissolved in water. Because you have this fatty layer in the middle, all the water in our body can't dissolve our cells like it can dissolve so many other things. Essentially, the fatty acid tails, their hydrophobic nature makes your cells waterproof, which is pretty cool. Okay, we will get to passive and active transport eventually, but you have everything you need from these two sections about biomolecules and about the cell membrane to complete your assignments for today.